Okay, chalk this shit up. It's getting cold out. Bench is sliding around a little bit, but that chalk on there, that helps. That's why plus five bench set with 275. My best with 275. My channel best 7 reps. So my last plus 5 bench day was 270 for 9. Not really. Just wait and see how it feels and see what I can do. I'm not really shooting for anything, but I mean, I'll get as many as I can, probably without a fail. I don't really want to fail, so. All right, let's see how it goes. My God! Whew. Oh man! Oh man! Epic grinder! I don't think I ever failed going up past the sticking point and then the bark actually coming back down like that. That was weird. I usually fail a little bit lower than that. That was one better than my best 8 reps. I thought for a sec I was going to get 9, but I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, I'm not going to lie, that 275 kind of took a lot of energy out of me. I really thought I was going to get that 9th rep, but I'm going to try one joker with 290. On plus 5 day, the way my program's written out, it's got you doing joker sets of 5 reps. So I'll try maybe one of these. I don't know if I'll get 5. I'm pretty fatigued now, but I'll give it a shot. Here goes. Okay, AMRAP set with 210. Ah! Oh, that hurts. Under the guillotine. Oh boy. That lactic acid's a bitch, ain't it?